am I dreaming? So Full kindly sent some goodies over and I'm so excited. Let's start off with the mini one. I already know what's inside of here, but I've never seen them like in person before. So this is a first impression unboxing. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute that is. I love Hello Kitty. I love everything Sanrio. And I just cannot wait to travel with this. I opened it upside down. Look at how cute this is. Am I going anywhere anytime soon? No, but I need to plan a trip now because this is insane. Thank you so much, Full. I know it's only been a day, but we got another one from Full. I guess this one was just running a little late. So this one I'm excited for because tomorrow is my boyfriend's birthday and I got this one for him. I really should be letting him open this, but I'm gonna do it. I opened it upside down. Woo! My boyfriend loves Star Wars, so I had to get him this one. This one is so sick. It has Darth Vader on it. I cannot wait to show this to him. Like the sickest birthday present I'm ever gonna give him, and it's all thanks to Full. So thank you so much, Full.